Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by turning the Genesis ignition to ACC or on, then press the phone button on the center console to access Bluetooth pairing. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and set it to visible or discoverable for about 5-10 seconds while the car searches. Confirm the vehicle name appears on your phone screen. Keep the phone within 3 feet of the center display. Have the 4-digit PIN 0000 ready, and be prepared to accept prompts to allow contact and message sync with the car system. Press phone on the console, choose Add New Phone, and the system will broadcast a device name like Hyundai Genesis. On your phone, open Bluetooth, find that Genesis device, and tap to pair. The radio will display a 4-digit PIN. Compare that PIN to the phone's PIN. Most Genesis units use 0000 and accept pairing on both devices. When prompted, allow contacts and message access so caller ID works, and enable Bluetooth audio as the source to stream music. If pairing fails, first remove any old Hyundai Genesis entries on your phone and delete unnecessary paired phones in the car's Bluetooth menu to free slots. Restart your phone and cycle the car ignition off then on. Wait about 10 seconds and retry pairing to reset the Bluetooth module state. Confirm the car software is current if problems persist. Use Bluetooth audio as the media source for music and press the phone button to switch to calls. View synced contacts and redial recent numbers while driving safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.